Hi, today I will show you how to set up a continuous deployment pipeline. So let's start. The first step is create a deployment. So we will create a deployment in AWS Elastic Bean Stack. So just open your AWS console management, click your Elastic Bean Stack, click on get start, application name, demo app, demo application. Platform will be PHP and application code is sample application, create application. So it will take some time. So until this one will finish, we will do some other step. The next step is get a copy of the sample code. Here's the some copy of the sample code like GitHub, Amazon S3, AWS Code Commit. So we will go with Amazon S3. Just click on this link, the dist, click on the file, view raw, and save this file in your local computer. Save it here. After downloading the source code file, the next step is create a bucket. So let's create a bucket in S3. Open your AWS console management, S3, create a bucket. Bucket name is demo pipeline.com. Region, click next. No need to change, click next. Give access, I acknowledge, and click next. Create bucket. You can see the bucket is created now, so we will upload our sample code file in the bucket. So open your folder where we download, select the file and drop it in the bucket. Next, next, and next. Uploaded. So in the properties we will make some changes. In the versioning change, we will enable it and save it. Okay, so let's go to the Elastic Bean Stack. It's still in the progress. It will take few minutes, so we need to wait for it. Here we can see that our Elastic Bean Stack, the demo application is successfully done now. So let's move to the next step. After creating a bucket, we need to create a pipeline. Open your AWS console management. Go to the pipeline, code pipeline, create pipeline, pipeline name, demo pipeline. Click next. Source provider will be Amazon S3. The bucket name is demopipeline.com. Object name. The bucket object name will be the zip file which one we upload in the bucket. So open your S3 bucket. Select the file and copy the file name. Copy and paste it here in the object folder. Object box. Yeah, this one, the zip file, the sample code zip file which one we upload in the bucket. Click next. Bullet option, we will skip this step. Click next. And deploy provider will be the AWS Elastic Bean Stack. Application name, demo application, the which one we create in the AWS Elastic Bean Stack. And environment will be the demo application environment. Click next, review your setting and create pipeline. So the pipeline is in the progress mode. It will take some time. We can see that the pipeline it succeeds now, so we need to wait for the AWS Elastic Beanstalk. It's in the progress, So it will be done soon, just in 1 to 2 minutes. Now here we can see that our deployment of the AWS Elastic Bean Stack is succeeded now. So we will click on the Elastic Bean Stack, click on the environment. The health is okay now. Just click our web application URL. So our sample code file is running here. The next step, we will make some changes in our file and then we will upload it. So let's go to the downloaded file, the which one we upload in the bucket, open it, the index file. We will make some changes in the index file. Let's change something here, like this file is changed now, and we will save this file. Save and close it. Yes, close this one, and we will replace this file in the bucket. So open your AWS S3 demopipeline.com, and I will drop my file here. Make it sure the both file have the same name and it will be replaced. Next, uploaded. So let's go to your pipeline, code pipeline. It's in the progress. It's successfully done just now, and the AWS Elastic Bean is still in progress mode. So it will be done just in 1 minute. When it will be finished, just click on the AWS Elastic Bean Stack, click your environment, and just click your app URL. Refresh your page and you will see your file is changed now. After this step, the next step is clean up your resources. So first we will delete our pipeline, then we will delete our Elastic Beanstalk application, and at the end we will delete our bucket. So for the pipeline, open your AWS Management Console, Code Pipeline, select the pipeline, delete, and type delete here. The pipeline is deleted now. So now we will delete our Elastic Beanstalk action, delete application, and application name is demo application. Copy the name and paste it plus delete. So it will delete. The next step is our S3 bucket. Go to your bucket, click your bucket and delete it. Type here the bucket name, deployment, deploy demopipeline.com and confirm. Our bucket is deleted now. Thank you so much.